Lutron Clear Connect for Caseta, how it works and why smart home buyers should care. For over 55 years, Lutron has led in lighting control, known for innovation and reliability. Pioneering in smart home tech, it's a trusted partner for homeowners and professionals. Key to Lutron systems is the patented Clear Connect for Caseta technology, powering devices like Caseta Wireless, RA2 Select, and HomeWorks. What is Lutron Clear Connect for Caseta technology? Clear Connect for Caseta, Lutron's proprietary RF protocol, ensures ultra-reliable, interference-free wireless communication. Operating in a quiet frequency band, it avoids Wi-Fi's congestion issues. Ideal for group commands, it seamlessly manages scenes like good night, synchronizing lights, shades, and temperature adjustments in complex environments. What makes Clear Connect for Caseta unique? Clear Connect operates in the sub-gigahertz range, enhancing stability by avoiding crowded Wi-Fi bands. It supports instant and simultaneous execution of group commands, ensuring smooth control over lights, shades, and thermostats. Unique device identifiers prevent interference, making it ideal for apartments or large installations. Lutron's dimmers and switches work without neutral wires, fitting older homes without rewiring. The system supports various load types, including LED, ELV, and incandescent, ensuring optimal performance across diverse lighting technologies. Pros of Clear Connect. Lutron offers unmatched reliability, quick response, and little interference, even in tech-heavy homes. It operates without a neutral wire, ensuring seamless integration. Cons of Clear Connect for Caseta. Lutron's system, exclusive to its devices, lacks mesh networking, potentially limiting range. Smart Bridge and Lutron Wireless Repeater mitigate this. It has a higher upfront cost than DIY options.
Go to GearBrain for more information.